To set individual notification sounds for apps in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter notifications, and then we can scroll all the way down and go to advanced settings. Here find manage notification categories for each app. If you activate this option, you can then go back to the main settings page and scroll down to the apps section. Pick whichever app you want to have custom sounds for. So for example, the great example is Gmail. So if we enter Gmail for, as I said, example, you can do this with different apps, but they may have different options available for them. So anyway, if we select Gmail, we can go to notifications right here and make sure that they are allowed. After that, you can go to notification categories that we've just enabled, and then you will see different categories for notifications. For example, for Gmail, if I receive email, we can click on it like this and then change the sound right here to different option. That way I will hear different sound if I receive email on my Gmail app. And you can, as I said, do it with different apps if they have this option somewhere available right there. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.